Real world mathematics. When are we ever going to use this stuff? A question heard by teachers everywhere. The answer is we use it all the time. With money, baking and cooking, building and construction work, and also traveling are just a few ways we use math every day.
I use money every day.
When we pay our bills, we use math. If my rent and utilities is $600 a month, my phone bill is $75 a month, my food bill is $100 a month, and I make $500 every 2 weeks, how much money do I have left over every month? Let's find out. So if I get paid every 2 weeks, that means I get paid twice a month. So 500 times 2 minus 600 minus 75 minus 100 equals 225. $225 left over. Truth is, we use math every single day, whether we even realize it or not. Take a look at this grocery list, for example. How much would it cost for 2 pounds of apples, 1 loaf of bread, 1 carton of eggs, and 1 gallon of milk? Let's find out. Multiplication comes first. 1.99 times 2 equals 3.98. 3.98 plus 2.89 plus 3.25 plus 3.05 equals 13.17. $13.17. My mom uses math when she bakes cakes. Math is always used in recipes. If a recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of butter, and 2 eggs, how do we go about doubling that? It's quite simple, really. 2 cups of sugar times 2 equals 4 cups of sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla times 2 equals 2 teaspoons vanilla. Half a cup of butter times 2 equals 1 cup of butter. 2 eggs times 2 equals 4 eggs. We doubled the recipe. Construction workers and builders use math. When dealing with area and perimeter, for example, area equals length times height. Perimeter equals length plus height plus length plus height. Remember, that's only with squares and rectangles. Let's find the area of this rectangle. Well, 10 times 6 equals 60, so the area is 60 squared. Perimeter, you add 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. The perimeter is 32. We also use math when we travel. For example, with miles per gallon in our cars. If we drive 500 miles and use 20 gallons of gas, how many miles are we getting per gallon? Well, 500 miles divided by 20 gallons equals 25. Therefore, we're getting 25 miles per gallon. We can also calculate things like miles per hour. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. Speed equals distance divided by time. And time equals distance divided by speed. Wow! We use math with money, baking and cooking, building, and traveling. Those are only a few examples. Math is awesome. Bye-bye.
Created using Powtoon.